Have you ever wondered why a fried egg slides so easily across a non-stick pan, or why a rain jacket stays dry in a storm? Behind these everyday conveniences is a group of man-made chemicals called PFAS, short for per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. The story of PFAS begins by accident. In 1938, a young chemist named Roy Plunkett was working at the company DuPont, experimenting with refrigerant gases. One day, he opened a storage cylinder and found a strange, slippery white powder inside. That powder was Teflon, the first PFAS. It turned out to be super slippery, resistant to heat, and wouldn't react with most other chemicals. Before long, industries realized they could use PFAS to make non-stick pans, stain-resistant carpets, water-repellent jackets, and even firefighting foam. But there's a twist. The same traits that make PFAS so useful, resistant to heat, water, and chemical breakdown, also mean they don't easily disappear. Once released into the environment, PFAS can last for decades, even centuries. That's why they've earned the nickname forever chemicals. Over time, scientists discovered PFAS in unexpected places: river water, soil, wildlife, and even in the blood of people living far from factories. Studies suggest that long-term exposure to certain PFAS may be linked to health issues, including some cancers, immune system effects, and problems with growth and development. Imagine dropping a tiny plastic bead in a river that flows to the ocean. It doesn't dissolve or break down, it just travels and spreads. PFAS act in a similar way. Because they don't break apart easily, they build up in the environment and inside living things. Today, governments and scientists around the world are working to understand PFAS better, tracking where they come from, studying how they affect health, and exploring ways to remove them from water and soil. Some companies are phasing out older PFAS chemicals, like PFOA and PFOS, and searching for safer alternatives. But the challenge is enormous because there are thousands of different PFAS compounds already in use. So the next time you see water bead up on your jacket or food slide off a pan, you're seeing the legacy of a discovery made nearly a century ago. PFAS are a reminder that technology often brings both benefits and responsibilities. By learning about their history and their impact, we can make wiser choices about the chemicals we create and use in the future.